Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a double Dior unboxing. So I just purchased these two small SLGs. I don't know which one is in which box, so yeah, let's just open it. This is what the bag looks like as usual. Let's get right into the unboxing. Such pretty packaging as always. Oh, and it's got a sticker on it. It's got a pretty sticker that says Dior. And it comes in a white dust bag. So cute. Oh, this one is the black. Hold on. Does it have a name? This is like the black lambskin lady Dior Ganache. This is 560 Australian dollars. Inside, what attracted me the most is the pink interior. It's so cute. If it was just all black, I wouldn't be purchasing this, but just because it's black and pink. And it also comes, oh no, what? Oh my gosh, where is, oh my gosh, oh, it's here. Gosh, it comes with a little decoration, a pink charm, like you can stick it on the side here. Oh, it's made out of ceramic. You can see it says Dior. So cute. Oh, so pretty. And yeah, as my bag gets smaller and smaller, I need a smaller wallet all the time. So it's got two card slots here. You can put one in here, and then there's one here. Oh, let me just take it out. Oh, oh, it's really like stuck. This is like stuck, man. Okay, there we go. So you can put cards, like 1, 2, 3, 4 cards, unless you wanna like double stack the cards in one compartment. And it's got one like bigger compartment for your coins and your cash. And yeah, I love the puffiness of the Ganache design. I just hope they don't like flatten out over time. And oh yeah, it's made of lambskin, so if you scratch it, you have it comes with this cloth that you can like rub over, and it gets rid of the minor scratches. And yeah, so pretty. Can't wait to wear this. Can't wait to use it. Now let's get into the second box. Now I know what the other one is. Again, it comes with the sticker. I'm just gonna stick it right here. And another pink dust bag, so cute. And then it also has a charm on it, but this one is in like a champagne gold. And I took off the wrapping. the O is wrapped in this like plastic thingy. I took off the other one already in the shop. And this is the pink patent leather card holder. It's just so pretty. And I picked this one. I picked the patent leather because they're like easier to clean, they don't get scratched, and card holders, like I will be using it all the time and it will be dirty and stuff. So like this one, the pink, I'm sure it will get dirty over time. Whereas this one, it will never get dirty. It can even get a little bit wet. Whereas this one, you can't get it wet at all. Yeah, so one comes with a champagne hardware and this one is like a pink ceramic hardware. And this side has 2 card slots and this one has 1. You can put cash, but you can't really put coins because it will just like be everywhere. It says Christian Dior, Paris here. This one's made in Italy and this one is made in Spain. Oh, so pretty, I can't wait to use it. And you can also take off the charm here, the same with the other one. Oh, this color is called magenta and it's in calfskin leather, not lambskin. And this one is this one is 440 Australian dollars. And both of them just recently got price increases. So yeah, I was a bit late. I should have got it earlier. But that's okay. So yeah, kind of matched my lipstick today. So cute. So yeah, as always, thank you so much for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed these two small leather goods unboxing. And don't forget to give me a like, comment down below, share this video and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!